ब्रिजेश जी, वेलकम टू द कॉल और मेनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस आपको। तो क्या आप ऑडियंस को बताना चाहेंगे अपना एक्सपीरियंस और साइबरनॉस के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I have almost 16 years of experience in information security, and I was looking for doing the CISSP because that requires me to do my work in bank. So that is why I was looking for someone reliable, someone who is having good experience and good teaching experience. So I find out Manoj Sharma sir on the YouTube. So there he put some videos for the questions he is solving. The one question he was solving in that, so I was yes, this was the thing I was looking for it, you know. So that was the day the way he was solving that clicked into my mind, you know. So I connected with Manoj Sharma sir, and and after that I joined Cybernous, and for in between 100 days, I have gone through each and every domain, and in that I was able to get the more knowledge into it. And important thing was that getting this leadership mindset, the gym sessions which we attend every weekend. So it was good, and all the contents that was awesome. Means I was able to crack around 20 to 15 questions in my exam basis on that course itself, you know. So that was really helpful for me. The gym sessions questions and the practice questions and mock tests which are there available in the CST, it's very much near to the actual exam. So I would request you all, those who are going to prepare or going to be in the exam in near future, so they should look out into these questions and get the real feel of the examination. So that will be really helpful in your endeavor. So that was the thing which I wanted to share again. So now here I am in front of you, and speaking with you, Pratima ma'am. So that was a really wonderful journey, I would say. So thank you so much for that.
And how do you find the mentorship of Manoj Sharma?
Practical. Uh, he was able to help us in every way, not only related to the course. He was, in our group, in our WhatsApp group, he was daily putting his running snapshots, running updates. So that also motivated us. Not on the course itself, it was a mentoring on a personal level as well for motivating each and every candidate. So hats off to him. So he's helping in every way. I must say that. So that was a commendable job he's doing. So thank you so much for that.
Yeah, and thank you so much for being on the call and sharing your experience with us. And many more congratulations and many more best wishes to you in your career ahead. Thank you for joining the call. Thank you.
Thank you so much.